Tama po ba? Or 4 there, 3 here. Ayan. Please face your partners po. Daddy and Mommy, we will ask you to do 3 sweet acts to each other. 3 pong malambing at romantic na act sa bawat isa. Pwedeng ikaw ang gumawa, Daddy, kay Mommy. I-recall mo, Daddy, ano ba yung pinaka-romantic? 3? Or si Mommy ang pwedeng gumawa kay Daddy. 3 lang po. Whatever you do, your children will have to copy. Of course, you want your children to also celebrate their golden wedding, right? Of course. Gusto nyo rin po, di ba, Daddy, na ang mga babies nyo maging kagaya ng inyong pagmamahala ni Mami, matatag, sintibay ng bato, sintikas ng semento. Tama, Daddy? Tama. So whatever you do, Daddy and Mommy, mga sir, mga ma'am, you have to copy. Okay? Daddy Ronnie and Mommy Mina, what's the first act? Ano po yung unang-una? Drop it. Gawin nyo na po at sila ay naghihintay. At kisin ng chick, halik po sa pisngi. Huwag po kayong mainit. Maya-maya ay. Oh, let's do that simultaneous. Halik sa pisngi. At the count of 3, simultaneous po for our very friendly photographers to capture. 1, 2, 3. A kiss in the cheek. Drop it. Okay. Ay, bakit po hindi namin nakita yung sa inyo? Mabilis? Pwede mo bang ulitin? Nahiya? May bayad na po yung pangalawa. Okay, Mommy and Daddy, what's the next act? Drop it. Ano po yung pangalawa, Daddy? A big hug! At the count of 3, you drop it simultaneous, alright? 1, 2, 3, a big hug! Drop it. Sir, kayo po. Hug nyo rin si Mommy. Ayan. Okay, Daddy and Mommy, this is now your 3rd and last act. Whatever it is, todo nyo na po. Kung ano man po yun, dahil 3rd and last act na, todo nyo na po. Lahat po ng bata ay nanonood. Daddy and Mommy, drop it! Wow! Nagpapapicture sa Mommy. Waki! Daddy, dapat po romantic at saka passionate. Hindi po Daddy and Mommy, let's see the last act. A big hug with a kiss. Lips to lips. Okay. 3rd and last act. Let's do it simultaneously and hold it for 3 seconds. Hold it up for 3 seconds. Because our photographers will capture each pair. So hanggang hindi pa po kayo napipicturan, i-hold nyo po ang halik na inyong mister. Okay po ba yan? 3rd and last act. Nag-ready si Sir, oh? Sir. You're a good friends. 3rd and last act. At the count of 3. Daddy, Mommy, gawin nyo rin po. 3rd and last act. At the count of 3. Drop it. A big hug with a lips to lips. Please hold it po for 3 seconds. Our photographers will capture each pair. Ayan. Hold it for 3 seconds again. 1, 2, 3. Si Sir po, meron na po. Si Ma'am. Si Ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Nag-enjoy si Sir. Ang dami pa. Hindi mo na. 1, 2. Drop it, Ma'am. And Sir. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. And of course, our next. Drop it po. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And our last pair po. The next couple that you want to celebrate an anniversary. Yung pong susunod na gusto nyo mag-celebrate ang kanilang anniversary. Sino po? Sige, dali namin. Meron pong discussion sa Senate. Daniel namin, siya po ba ang bunso? Oh. So, very meaningful po ang bouquet na yan. Mommy and Daddy would like you to spend the rest of your lives just like the way they did. In love and fidelity. Thank you very much po and congratulations.
Ilang ulit mo na itinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal, hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig, hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Giliw, huwag mo sanang isipin ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang ang diwa ko tanging sa'yo lang mamahalin kailanman, hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang, hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig, hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Giliw, huwag mo sanang isipin ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal, na ang sinisigaw ay lagi ng ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal. Giliw, huwag mo sanang isipin ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Ikaw lamang
sa'yo ay tunay. Nais ko sanang patunayan, huwag ka nang mag-alinlangan. Ang pag-ibig ko'y hindi kukupas, tulad din ng umagang may pag-asang sumisikat. Ang ating buhay maikli, aking hirap, kung kaya't
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. First of all, gusto ko pasalamatan yung mga kamag-anak, mga kapatid na nagbuo nitong event na to. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ko buo ito kay Ate Anet, si Galma, si Pepe, Lenay, sino ba? Mga Bayaw, at kayong mga dumating dito, maraming salamat sa inyo. Una-una, di sila nakikinig sa amin. Nakakalat sila. But anyway, masaya ako dahil nakita ko yung mga instant ko na matagal ko hindi nakikita. Parang nag-ready yun itong araw na to. Sana di huwag muna kayong malis dahil madalang lang tayo magkita. Mag-stay kayo hanggang matapos yung wedding anniversary ni Bata ni Tata. Pwedeng kulang kayo. Pwede ba yun? Para may mga preparation na ginawa yung mga nephew and niece para sa inyo. 50 years since parang ang gandang pakinggan pero alam ko mahirap abutin yung 50 years na marriage. Lalo-lalo na sa isang relasyon ay may mga challenges. Lalo na pag marami kang anak. But anyway, si Tata na na-reach nila yung goal na yun. Tata, ito ako sa'yo, ma. Congratulations. Ngayon na ay itong araw na ito ay naging special sa akin dahil sa wedding ni Tatay at the same time naging reunion sa pagkakatanda. So palakpakan natin sina Mang Rudy, siya Mang Mila, itong event na ito. Thank you.
Today is a huge milestone in one of your lives. It's your 50th wedding anniversary. My wish for both of you is lifetime of happiness and abundant blessings. Some 20+ years ago, you welcomed me into your home with kindness and love that I could never imagine. I was nervous, wondering if I was good enough for your daughter and with my expectations. By now, I hope I did. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart how much I love you both. Thank you for the good examples set in my life, your daughter's life, as well as your grandson's lives, for always being supportive and going above and beyond for all of us. And then, Ma, happy 50th wedding anniversary. I love you all. Thank you.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello Hello po sa likod. Naginig po ba kayo? Naginig po kayo kasi po, pinaghandaan po nila yung okasyon na to. Ito po ay like, ilang months in the making? Almost half a year. Umuwi po kaming lahat para po magkatipon-tipon dito. Eh, sana po magstay kayo. Ma, tata, congratulations po. Happy 50th wedding anniversary po. And I'm so proud of you po kasi po, na-raise po yung mga anak ko ng maayos. Ilan po.
So let me first begin by introducing myself. Though ma'am has already introduced me, my name is AC and I'm the eldest of the 18 grandchildren of our golden couple for tonight, Lola Mila and Lolo Rodi. So as a first granddaughter, or grandchild for that matter, I am honored to deliver a congratulatory message to celebrate this wondrous occasion. It is my first time to witness, much more be a part of a golden wedding anniversary. Ergo, I naturally don't have the slightest idea of what they say or do on this momentous affair. A fun anecdote must suffice to jumpstart the festivity, however, I'm not really much of a funny person. So, with all the seriousness in the world, I would like to take this opportunity to thank and at the same time show off my maternal grandparents as the best grandparents in the world. How they were able to raise 8 children to be good citizens and, or simply put, good persons. And how they encourage and support their grandchildren to do the same. You two are role models for everyone who believes in everlasting love. You are the perfect example of the benefits of happy marriage through unconditional love for one person for half a century and counting. You are an embodiment as to how two is better than one. That life is more beautiful to be a team amidst laughter and tears. You are icons for commitment, for caring, for unselfish devotion, for happy compromise out of love for each other. Thus, I want to say warmest congratulations and sincere best wishes on your golden wedding anniversary. May your wonderful and admirable union be richly blessed and your love grow stronger as it continues to be a golden beacon as it for the rest of us. Cheers and abundant blessings as you celebrate your 50 years of marriage. God bless you both always. Thanks and good evening.
Kailangan pa ata po neto pag-milk before counting skills ko po eh. Hindi ko pa malasing po. Pero Lola, congrats po kay 50 years. You know, such a big milestone. Pero yun po, mas magkakapaan niyo po ito kasi hindi kayo mamulihan ni girlfriend ko po more than twice a week. Pero kaya po, you guys are such a big inspiration when it comes to family. Because as for my Lola, raising a family of 8 was an easy task. And for him to provide throughout all the years is such a big accomplishment. And as for my Lola, she's such an amazing housewife, taking care of the kids,